Pins, bullets, steel plate inside of your head?
No, nothing.
Oh, I see you didn't list an emergency contact. I know friends or family?
Just put on my employer, Charles Whitmore.
This machine is super loud. I don't want these. You need the button.
Button?
Panic button. You need to stop, press it. Try not to, because we'll have to start all over again from the beginning. Be in that booth over there, you'll be able to hear me. 30 minutes, okay? Okay, here we go.
Siéntate, No. Mismo que chivo en médico. Se apesta, cabrón. Ya lo digo por el corazón. No, te tiene que ir por el corazón.
What happened, man? Are you all right?
I need to find the man I came in with. I need to find the man I came in with.